Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. MiguelCollins, aka Sizzla Kalonji, is venturing into the food business. He's planning to open up a chain of grills called Kalonji Grills. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari.
Greetings.
TV. And
yes,
if this is your first time tuning in to the Rasta Man channel,
Deep Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're running Fort Lauderdale Beach.
Part of the Rasta Man panel. Help me build up the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. Coming soon, exactly July 1st, to Canada, ladies and gentlemen, MiguelCollins, aka Sizzla Kalonji, is bringing his taste of the island food to Canada, which he will feature outdoor cooking, online events, and outdoor concerts. Ladies and gentlemen, Kalonji Grill will open up the first location in Ontario, Canada, which plans to expand globally. Contact the team for more information, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Kalonji Grill will offer authentic Jamaican grill food combined with traditional Caribbean season, blend with his own authentic special spice, developed with personal chefs and MiguelCollins from the Augustown area in Kingston, Jamaica. Kalonji Grill will offer a taste of Jamaican cuisine to the Canadian community without any kind of compromise of the quality. Ladies and gentlemen, starting July 1st, yes, Kalonji will be in Canada to open up his own franchise. Yes, there are going to be smoke and the fire outside Jamaican grill style. Yes, and there's going to be food for all kind of people. And not just Rastaman food in my serve. There's going to be smoked potato, rice and peas, smoked mac and cheese, Caribbean coleslaw, Rasta pasta, garden salad, Greek salad, ginger beer, champagne, pineapple, Pepsi products, veggie, and ackee patties. Yes, and they're going to be spicy and chicken beef patty too. Yes, and like I said, we're going to have grilled veggies. We're going to have some, Kalonji burger, which is a plant-based burger. And we're going to have grilled tofu, barbecue, chicken, fish, jerk, all kind of stuff, ladies and gentlemen. So come on out and show the Rasta man some love. It's going to be July 1st. Yes, and it's going to be up in Ontario, Canada. Now, if you want more information and you're in the Canada area or you're going to be in the Ontario, Canada area, ladies and gentlemen, you can contact the Canadians there at 519 759 3959. So that's 519-759-3959. Or for more information, you can link Kalonji at info@kalonjigrill.com. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, so the Deep Roots TV reporting that MiguelCollins, aka Sizzla Kalonji, will be opening up his own franchise, his own grill, Kalonji Grill, authentic Jamaican outdoor grill that will provide you with a unique style of grilling and dining. It will help you escape the norms, especially you will be placed into a beautiful, beautiful oasis of Caribbean experience, ladies and gentlemen. The environment will be lit. We will take traditional Jamaican cuisine and cook them all together, yes, for your purpose on a professional grilling smoke technique. Our unique jerk seasoning is made from scratch and it comes in 3 different flavors. Kalonji state on his website, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and check out the website. You can find it at kalonjigrill.com. Link up so the thing them can think up. The Rasta man them is on a move. You are guaranteed. So bless up on yourself. Thank you for tuning in. And I'm looking forward to visiting one of Kalonji Grills. And I hope you are too.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.